In this video I will talk about ICP and share with you why I think the chance is really high that you could see a bullish explosion just from this zone. So let's go straight into the content. So on the weekly time frame, as you can see, ICP was in this longer bearish trend. We also saw this longer consolidation at this lows right here. And then we started seeing this bullish explosion to the upside. We then found multiple resistances at this supply zone. Then ICP broke out of this for the first time, but we then saw directly this rejection to the downside. But on the daily chart, we can see this bullish uptrend. We always build higher lows and higher highs. And right now we are at this very interesting area because this demand zone was the start of this push to the upside. We made this higher high, broke this supply zone. And then we came all the way back into the zone and just seeing this wicks and don't making a lower low. Because if we would see a daily or weekly body close under this lows, then the chance is very high that we're seeing lower levels again. But we didn't saw on lower low, we directly broke out of this demand zone right here with this bullish candles. And right now the chance is really high that we could see a bullish explosion and higher highs. And of course the next really interesting price target is this high right here at $21. From the prices right now to this price target we would have potential over 44%. And if we see the bullish explosion and breaking this last high, the next really interesting price target is this high right here. Because as we were in this bearish trend after we built this high, we then saw this massive bearish move to the downside. And now it's very important that we are breaking this one to the upside. Because if we are breaking this one to the upside and find bullish acceptance, then the chance is really high that we are seeing higher prices in the near future for ICP. And if you want to trade ICP, you can do this on Bitunix. Bitunix is a non-KYC and no VPN platform. So especially if you're coming from the US, UK or Canada, you can legally trade on this platform. And if you're using my link, you get up to $5,500 bonus. You will find a link in the description. And if you're also breaking this one to the upside, then the next really interesting price target is this high right here. Because as you can see in the bearish downtrend, we also saw this high and then this bearish trend continuation. And if we also find acceptance over this one, then the last really interesting price target is this high right here at $86. And just from these prices right now to this potential price target, we would have potential over 500%. And I think this is an amazing deal for ICP. I also think that the potential of ICP could be even higher, but I think this kind of price target is very realistic. So for the long term and this bull run, I'm really bullish on ICP. But if you're also looking at the short term, you can see again this bullish breakout out of this demand zone. And right now, if we see a move back into this zone and see a bullish reaction right here, then I think this would be an amazing potential entry for ICP right here at this last order block. So if the price comes back to this potential price of $12.80, then I think this would be an amazing entry. But of course, the question is if we are seeing this move to the downside or if we are directly breaking to higher prices. Because as I said, we moved into this demand zone, saw this wicks right here. We took the liquidity and breaking out. And of course, the chance is there that we are just breaking out of the zone and directly see higher prices. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like ICP, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. So guys, this was my price prediction for ICP for the next time with potential entries and price targets. If you want to see more videos on ICP or other coins, then write it down in the comments. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.